So they working to get my fence installed. You can see the post. Pay no attention to the jungle over there. That'll get cleaned up eventually. That's all the stuff. And more stuff. That's what it's gonna look like when I'm done. Okay, so it is finished all the way around. Yeah, those trees are dead and they need to be cut down, so at some point somebody will be doing that, and it won't be me. And so all the way around to the front, and there it is. Nice. Yeah, got to cut them trees down over there, but the rest of this stuff is manageable now. And so there we are. I got a fence. Yay! So I'm in my backyard and I'm cutting down this bush, a tree. It was a weed tree from when this was a lot. And so I got this thing here from my cousin to use. So I started already. I sprayed it with the cancer weed killer stuff, and so to kill the branches, so I can make it easy to cut it down. So I'll show you what it look like when I'm done. So after the cut, and that's what it looked like. I need one of those whatever they call them things to ground up these stumps, and kill them so nothing else will grow. 'Cause these things have a bad habit of sprouting new branches and whatnot. So next is to drill holes in them and use the Roundup, spray it in the holes that I drill, and hopefully it'll kill the roots, and then it'll be easier to grind them up, because this area over here will more than likely be where I put my garden, vegetables and whatnot, because as you can see, none of this stuff is hanging over there, and I need to call the city to have them come and cut the trees back, because that's a vacant lot over there, and cut the grass because it's tall as I am. But yeah, this area over here, garden, I'm still trying to figure out where to put my gazebo or pergola or whatever you call that thing. But I decided it won't be a concrete slab that is gonna go on. It's gonna be wood, because that's probably cheaper. And so I got to figure out where I want it, because I want it back this over in that area, but I don't know if I kind of want it in the middle, so I have that back behind me right there, because I want a shed to put my lawnmower and stuff in, so you know I don't have grass and whatnot in my house, and my house smelling like dried up grass. So anyway, that's it for today. Talk to you soon. Bye.